Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do the advanced rim in Fusion 360. Again, it went pretty well, very similar to the Inventor version. So, let's have fun with Fusion 360. So again, I want to reuse a sketch from my simple rim. And again, you could do it with the same dimensions or use different ones. So let's close that sketch. I want to make a surface revolve. So go to the patch environment, go to create and revolve this profile around that axis right here. That's the y-axis. 360 degrees in a new body, yes, and OK. And as I will thicken that surface, it doesn't matter in which direction the normal of this surface points. OK, let's hide that body for the moment and show that sketch again. I need planes, 2 planes with an angle. So let's go for construct and use plane at an angle, and the axis would be this one. Let's see if we move this. It should be in that direction, minus 15 degrees. And make it visible, yeah, and another one again at angle should be plus 15 degrees. So I got those 2 planes, and I want a sketch on this one and a sketch on that one. So that's the one for the first sketch. Let's go for sketch on plane 6 in this case. Go, and that might be a line which continues into an arc, maybe like this, and confirm. Stop this sketch. Okay, then a sketch on this plane. Again, a line followed by an arc, but the other direction. So start here, maybe there. And that arc might end here. And confirm. Stop that sketch as well. Now let's add some planes. Plane along path. Choose this path right here. And distance 0, so it's in this point. And another plane along path right there. And here the distance is 1. Great. Now a sketch on this plane. And I need an arc, 3-point arc. Maybe like that. Those 2 points should be aligned horizontal, this one and that one, and I will do it with a line in between, a line like this. So let it put it for construction, and another line from this point to the midpoint of that line. Again, for construction. So these two should be perpendicular. You could do it with symmetry as well, but I would need a line for the symmetry too. And then put this point onto that arc. And just maybe move this up a little bit. And I want to copy this one. So let's select it like this. And maybe that one as well. Hopefully I got it. Control C for copy. Stop this sketch. Now let's make a sketch on the other plane. Where's my other plane? Kind of invisible. No. Just got a little bit disoriented. So let's select this one, make another sketch, and just Control V. So it's already there. Let's select these. There's one line, and I miss. Is there another line? What's this? That's sort of a. Doesn't matter. Suppose I can move those two. Yes. There is a line. Is this still perpendicular? Let's see. Maybe. And this should be horizontally. It's already there. Okay, great. Now move that point to this one. Great. Stop that sketch. Now I can make my sweeps. So go for create, sweep with this profile and that path. Confirm it's in the new body, of course, and repeat sweep with this profile and that path right here. Okay. Then I need a sketch on the top plane, and this would be a line which goes to the center, maybe like that. Add an angle. This should be 60 degrees, and I need to project something. That axis would be great if I can select it. There you go. Confirm, and then I can use it for another dimension from this line to that projected axis. Yeah. So let's hide those bodies. It's easier. So let's take a look. That should be I don't need this one. I need that angle, and that should be 30. Stop that sketch. Show the bodies. And I want to trim. So go for modify, trim, and the trim tool would be this sketch. And I want to remove this face and that one. Confirm. Then I can use that plane for trim. So repeat trim. This should be the tool. And I want to remove. Let's take a look on this side and that side. Okay, nice. And then I can use this body as tool. Yeah, repeat the trim. That's the tool. This should be removed and that should be removed. And okay, nice. Let's hide that body. And I could hide that sketch. Another sketch on the top plane. And I need the planes projected into my sketch. So P for project. Project plane 5 and 6. Okay. Let's hide those bodies. I need a circle somewhere over here. That point should be right there. Coincident. Then I need a line. Maybe like that. Add an angle. This should be 30. And I need a fillet. Here, maybe let's go for 20. And move this over here, and that point should be again on that plane. And I would need a projection of that other plane as well, so go for P and project the front plane, or that axis, that's XY. Okay. And this one and that one should be parallel, yeah. And there should be a distance, and I have to change the radius, but therefore I have to see my faces, my surfaces. Oh, that's really awkward. I want to move this up like that, down, and maybe change this later on. So add a dimension from this one to that, and that might be 15. Okay, similar here, a line and another line, an angle 30 degrees, add a fillet, not 50 but let's say 20. This point should be aligned to that plane, and again parallel this one to that one, and the distance from this one to that one, and this should be again 15. Let's try to, yeah, let's show our bodies and see how this one looks. Okay, and I can move that circle in that direction, so hide the body, move this in that direction, and maybe like that. Yeah. Yeah, this will work. Stop that sketch. Now let's trim. So go for modify, trim. Trim tool would be this one, remove that one. Okay, repeat that trim. This one, remove that one. Okay, repeat that trim. Use this sketch and remove that face. Okay, another sketch on the top plane. just a circle. Diameter might be 100. Stop that sketch, and again I can trim. So modify, trim, use that circle and remove those two faces. Nice. Next I need a sketch again on the top plane. Sketch on the top plane, just a line, maybe like this. Okay, stop that sketch and make an extrude with that line. Create, extrude that line, maybe 300. Now a sketch on this plane. That might be a straight line and then an arc, maybe like like this. Confirm, let's take a look. Looks good, and another line maybe here. Let's see if that can extend. I hope so. Stop sketch. Now let's make another trim. That should be one. Move this side. Okay. Repeat that trim with that line. Remove this side. Okay. Then repeat trim with this one. Okay, and repeat with that body. Trim, that's the tool. This should be removed, and okay. Hide that body. And maybe hide those sketches. Now I can go for thicken, go for create, thicken this surface 5mm up, yes. Repeat thicken with this surface 5mm up, a new body, yes. And now hide that one and make the shell. Modify, there is no shell here, so I have to go to my model space, go to modify shell. I want to remove this face, that one, this one, that one, this one and that one, and 2mm walls. Great. Repeat shell, remove this face, this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, 2mm, and okay. Great. Now show that body. Yeah, make another thicken, should be here as well. Yeah, thicken this surface to both sides, symmetric, make it 5 or go for 3mm. So I think that's 3. Now I could add the fillets already. But first, yeah, so go for fillet, 3mm on this edge, that edge, this one, and the other one. Nice. Now a circular pattern. with that body. Create pattern, a circular one. I want to pattern a body, this body, and the axis would be this one. It's not a full, it's symmetric, 3 instances and 60 degrees. Nice. Now let's combine those bodies. Modify, combine, make a join, yes. Target body could be this one, add that one, this one, that one, and this one. Let's see if we have all. Okay. Yeah, great. Now let's add some more fillets. Looks good, yes. So go for modify fillet. This edge, that edge, this one, that one. Let's go for 5. Nice. Down below as well. This edge, that edge, this edge, and that edge. Again, go for 5 millimeter. Very nice. Another fillet with 1 millimeter. On this edge, that one, this one, and of course that one. 1 millimeter. Doesn't work. Why? Cancel this out and take a closer look. Yeah, because of the 5 here it might not work. Yeah, so let's change those upper ones, these ones, to, let's say, 3 millimeter, and the other ones down below as well to 3 millimeter. Okay, let's try once again. Maybe hide that sketch. So let's try the fillets. Fillet. Zoom in on this edge. That edge. 1 millimeter should work. Yes. Repeat. Here and there. 1 millimeter. Yeah, now it works. Great. Over here as well. Repeat the fillet. This edge, that one, this one, and that one. 1 millimeter. Great. And repeat again this edge, that edge, this one, and that one. 1 millimeter. Nice. Now I need another circular pattern. So maybe I will move that a little bit over here. Yeah. Another pattern. Go to create another circular pattern. Again, bodies. Yes, I want to pattern that body full this time, and the axis would be the y-axis here, and I need 6 instances. Great. Now let's do that body and thicken it. So go to create thicken. I want to thicken this one, and it should be a new body. Yes, maybe symmetric 5 millimeters to both sides. Let's take a look. Looks good. Now let's add some fillets on that surface. So go to modify fillet. Let's go for 5 millimeters on this edge, that edge, this edge, and maybe the one edge down below, this one. And did I select this one? I should select this one as well. Go for 5 millimeter. Let's see if it will work. Now let's combine those two bodies, or 6, 7 bodies. So go to modify combine. This should be the target one, and let's select these like that. Join, yes. 1 and 6, yes, and okay. Let's see if we can make fillets on these edges. So go to modify fillet. Let's try a small one, 2 millimeters. Select on this edge, and it will not go all around. That's kind of sad. So I might change this sketch a little bit. And I think that sketch 14, no, sketch 15, sketch 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, that's the one. So let's edit this one. So this should go a little bit down like this, maybe. Yeah, that's better. Hide that sketch. And now let's try once more the fillet. Fillet. Yeah, now it works. Great. I suppose I've got them all, so let's try 2 millimeter. Doesn't work. Let's try 1 millimeter. Yeah, at least 1 millimeter. If you want different fillets and radius, so you would have to change the sketches. Great. Now I need a sketch on the top plane. So go for a sketch on the top plane. This will be a circle, and the diameter might be, let's go for 125. Yeah, Stop that sketch. Let's make an extrude with that sketch in a new body, yes. Let's go up and see. Don't want to cut, I want to make a new body. Let's try 265. In this case, that's still maybe 275. Yeah. Let's add a chamfer. Or chamfer, because it's also the gem of secrets, so I should pronounce it chamfer. I need chamfer and 2 distances on that edge, and that direction should be maybe 30, and this one maybe 15. Yeah, looks interesting, but I have to change the values, so maybe 10. I think that looks okay. Yeah. Now add a fillet here, fillet right there. Let's go for 5. Then combine these, modify, combine, target, tool body, join, yes, okay. Now let's add fillets. So it doesn't go all around. Jesus, that Windows Defender messages are quite annoying. So it will not go completely around. Why? Let's take a look. So maybe that's, oh yeah, there's a problem. So let's change the chamfer once more and make this, if I make this 25, now I should be able to go all around with my new fillet. Fillet, yes. Let's see, make 5. How would 5 look like? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I can use 5. So I will use another one on the back side as well. Repeat fillet, select here, and maybe again 5. Very nice. Now a hole. So create a hole, and it should be through all on that face, and move this to the center right there, and diameter might be 60. Yeah, and I think I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, just give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page, and please like it. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to next one. Bye bye.